Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. Soglan tumka येवकार माझ्या cooking channelaचेर. And now it's a breakfast time, and today we don't want to have paratha, but we want to have some French toast because it is quick and easy to make. So what you need is milk, 1 to 2 cups. Then I'll be caramelizing this bananas. So I've taken 3 of this. 2 eggs for 1 whole sliced bread. Now this is home baked sliced bread. If you want to know how to make sliced bread at home, please do watch the recipe which is there on my Wells Quick Tips and Trick cooking channel, so you can check that. And we need some butter and 2 eggs. Okay, so 2 cups measuring cups of milk, 2 eggs, 1 sliced bread, and butter or clarified butter or oil is fine, whatever is available in your kitchen. So let's start. Sugar, it is not sugar, it is sugarless, okay, because I'm going to caramelize this and have that. So let's start. First thing is break the eggs. So आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता इजी, लायक भुरग्यांक पुण्य चड लायक जाता फ्रेंच टोस्ट. फ्रेंचाच्या लोकांनी हो टोस्ट आमकां शिकयला. ताका लागून हें कितें कितें जाय तें पळोवन घेयात. सो 2 कपां दूद, आनीक जाय जाल्यार मागीर घालूं येता. मीठ इल्लेशें. So we'll add little bit of salt to this. Then we'll mix. We'll take some butter. So now we have to dip this and fry. Medium flame. So dip and fry. Now I have made it medium flame. First it was low, now it is medium. And now we will turn this. So here is our French toast ready to serve. And now we will make little bit of caramelized banana. So I'm frying one in 2 pans because breakfast time and it's quick one. So now this is done. So now let's serve this. So for now, this topping bananas, you have to cut this into round shape or long shape. It's up to you. So I'll take it like this only. So we'll take around 2 to 3 teaspoons of sugar. Now if you don't want sugar, then it's okay. And we will let this get melt. So once this get melt, see it's getting melt, I didn't touch. And we will add little butter to this now. This is now optional if you want to have. We'll add this when this is already caramelized. We will add a banana. We'll add a pinch of salt to this. A pinch. Now it's ready to go with our French toast. We'll serve this now. Let's now serve this. And enjoy your caramelized banana with our French toast. Thank you so much. Dev bare karo. Thank you.